The football match of tomorrow is symbolic from these two perspectives. Firstly, this is a friendship match. Two small nations are playing football to enhance their cooperation and to promote the people-to-people contacts. One cannot overestimate the importance of such events. It would not be an exaggeration to say that this game provided my country with visibility and profile that the embassy alone could not achieve. For this, I am very grateful to both teams and both federations of football.
Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you for your kind invitation to join you today, and in particular, I'd like to welcome my colleagues from the Latvian Football Federation to Ireland. We're looking forward to hosting them, the team and the supporters at the Aviva Stadium tomorrow evening.
Mr. President, on behalf of our Football Federation Latin, I would like to say thank you for such a very welcome reception here. For us, it's a great pleasure to be with the national team here. Like President said before, that the first
Mārs Verpakovskis, Latvijas izlases futbola dalībnieks. Gribu aicināt visus latviešus, kur strādā īrijā, atbalstīt mūsu rītdienas mačā. Kā stadions saucās, es nemaz nezinu.
Aviva.
Aviva stadionā, rītdienas vakarā. Jūs atbalsts būs mums ļoti nepieciešams.
With the soccer, yeah?
Paldies.
Jūs man pazīstat. Jūs ziniet, kas notiek rīt vakarā. Saņemās latvieši. Tikai pa uzvaru.
Feet more, closer!